Hi everyone, welcome to review of Lazy Profit Engine 2. Let's see what are the say answer of the products. I think it's very good software to our online. Okay, you are looking for big result within the next 24 hours, then you are in the right place, my friend. Okay, to reload. Making big profit. Let me show you. Very good. And go through. That's always best.
Hey guys, Tom E here. Last year, we sold over 3,000 copies of Lazy Profit Engine, and a ton of success stories and testimonials came from that first version. Now we're back with Lazy Profit Engine 2.0, which is an even better, more fine-tuned method. Now, Brett has relentlessly tested and proven this new 2.0 method, and we are completely blown away by the results. Now, chances are you're probably fed up with a lot of the BS that's been in the internet marketing space lately. Chances are you're just trying to make some extra cash on the side so you don't have to live paycheck to paycheck. Or maybe you want a full-time living from this, but it just hasn't happened yet. And the unfortunate thing is, most of the products in the marketplace today simply don't live up to their promises. It's as if their main purpose is to keep you guessing just so you can come back in 3 months and buy the next junk offer from them. Know what I mean? So today on this page, we want to change that and show you the simplest and laziest way to make a real daily income with very minimal effort. You just saw all the commissions in this video that were flooding in on a daily basis. Brett has managed to pull in over $1,300 in just 5 days using this exact 2.0 system. It didn't require any product creation whatsoever. There was no money spent on ads, and you do not need a subscriber list to get started with this. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day of super simple work is all it takes to get one of these lazy engines up and running for yourself. Now, I know this all sounds too good to be true, but that really isn't the case here, guys. And to shatter any doubt you have, I recommend you read through this page and see all the proof and testimonials. I also want to let you know that if you get in early on this, you are going to reap the biggest rewards. Why? Because this 2.0 version is a highly untapped method that very few people know about. So, if you haven't hit that $100 a day online yet, this is a very easy, very fast way to get there. Brett has discovered something truly unique here, and I couldn't be prouder to be part of this. We are so excited to bring this to you guys. And as you can see, there's a countdown timer right below this video. So be sure to get in before that countdown timer hits 0 so you can get in at the best price. Thank you so much, guys. We can't wait to start working with you on the inside of Lazy Profit Engine 2.0.
Okay, here is the vendor reviews. You can see and more approved, more screenshots. Okay, now you know the secret to passive affiliate commissions and easy 100 per day. And the best part about this new 2.0 method, no paid traffic needed whatsoever, no difficulty skills required, no list required, no experience needed, no JV requests needed, no launching required. Just 20 minutes of setup time is all it takes to get surefire commissions following into your affiliate account on near autofillers. So guys, if you want to take it, link in the descriptions below. So thank you so much.